dobre, good afternoon everybody, just another day in Poland. Okay, I start today my video from my kitchen and I just finished my Polish class and yay, I just did my Polish examination today for about 2 hours, writing test and speaking test. So hard. Okay, I'm already hungry. I'm gonna cook Indonesian food today. I will cook my tahu manis, tahu kecap manis. And we've got tofu here. And then we've got chosnek, onion, tomato, paprika, chili. And we've got salt, pepper, ginger, because I'm gonna cook tahu kecap manis. I'm gonna cook ikan sambal rica-rica, and I also want to have my fried egg. So this is actually my lunch menu for today. I cook Indonesian Asian food, Balinese food, with the rice and everything, only for myself because Damian is not a big fan of the Indonesian food. He's not a big fan of rice. Maybe once in the blue moon, if I force him, or if he is in the mood of the Asian food, like sushi, he eat. But if it is heavy spices, he prefer not to eat, as he's now living in Poland, so he got lots of choices, food choices from Poland and Western food. So yeah, today I'm gonna cook my Indonesian food, my Balinese food. So if you manage to come to Poland, and let me know, maybe we can have a lunch Indonesian food together, because sometimes I cook a lot and I have to eat by myself. That's why I after eating I have to do my exercise. Fry the tofu like this. We cut it into like cube. So after later on it is cooked, we prepare for the sauce. So I've got tomato, chili, onion. Got my imbir, which is ginger. I put it later on. And I've got my ketchup ABC. So we will stir it for about 5 minutes. And then the end, we add tomato. If you don't like tomato, you don't need to put it. This is my tofu ketchup, and now I will cook my sweet sour fish. So I've got my mackerel, onion, chili, paprika, and this one is tomato and mackerel that I already cleaned, salt, pepper, and then I have the lemon and oil to cook. Yeah, just someone asking me, how can you show us how to cook Indonesian food? So I think this one, the simple, my comfort food, that I can show it to you with the simple ingredients. I hope you enjoy it. So I wanna eat now. Smacznego. Basically, this is my lunch for today. This one is the sweet sour mackerel, and this one is the tofu with the soy sauce, and I like the fried egg with the rice. Yes, rice is of course must be, because we are Indonesian, we eat rice as our food. And actually the simple seasoning is just like consists of onion, tomato, chili, salt, pepper, and if you want to have add a soy sauce, you can have like this. Smacznego, rice, tofu, egg, and mackerel. This is my comfort food. I had my lunch actually, and it's already 4 p.m. Damian will go home soon. He already called me, like I asked him what's for dinner, of what's for lunch for him. He wants to have a pierogi. So yeah, I'll show you how to cook pierogi. Pierogi is easy peasy. Yeah, mama, my mama-in-law, Damian's mom, actually cook pierogi a lot. And then they put it in the plastic. So now I need to warm the pierogi and boil it for 2 minutes, and then ready to eat for Damian. About 2 minutes, Just wait until it's boiling. Smacznego!
Dziękuję.
So, what's Damian's favorite food? Pierogi. What is this, kochanie?
Fish.
Fish? Oh, the same like me before, but different type of fish?
Yeah, skipper cut with onion. Very nice, actually.
And this one is ogurki, tak?
Homemade.
Homemade by mama. And this one is
Pączek
for dessert. Smacznego!
Dziękuję, kochanie.
He just arrived home, already hungry and straightforward eat.
Tak.
So that was our lunch. Actually, now I will take Damian for a walk after working, right, Kahanye? We will have a coffee. We are in the Malta Lake and it's very nice weather today. It's hot, but I think it's gonna be raining, but I don't know. The weather is slightly changing. Let's walk by dessert. Kahanye, what would you like to have?
Maybe coffee, maybe ice cream.
Ice cream? Let's see. Oh, this is how the situation actually the Malta Lake, where the people enjoying their time. Nice. You see over there people are doing kayak. Nice. I'll zoom it. How do you feel today after work?
I'm okay.
Good.
Enjoying the ice cream. Hot. Bones pain. Probably the side effect of, you know what,
Yeah.
we get 3 things in Bali, you know, back into 2020. Now it's our days probably, you know, that's why I just enjoy.
See, you are pessimistic. My husband is pessimistic, I know. Me, optimistic. We happy, our body will be happy.
Just kidding, but you never know actually, you know.
Yeah, but you know, seems like I don't know why our body is like painful all the time. Like I'm exercising a lot and he also exercising a lot maybe.
Yeah, in Bali I was driving bike everywhere I go. Like literally I just go to 7 Indomaret, 20 meter, take a bike, drive, park at the front of the door, get inside, get out. Here I walk really a lot. Like really we just walk a lot and exercise a lot, much more. But the thing is just the body, and many people think actually that's maybe a side effect of you know.
Yeah.
We were forced at that time anyway.
Okay.
My friends who are living in Poland, they didn't took it at all, 0, and they are over 60 and they are like healthier than me. So explain me this. I'm just saying, enjoying my ice cream.
Okay.
And not pessimistic though.
Okay.
Realistic.
I will record a different view then now. I'll show you how beautiful is the Malta Lake in the afternoon. View, oh look at them. They're feeding the ducks and birds over there, and look at that. They are doing kayaking. I'll show you. Nice. Beautiful. Very active outside. And this is how the coffee shop and Damian enjoying his ice cream. So many attraction here, as you see. And you can cycling. Oh my god, it's windy. I think it's raining soon. And we plan to go to the forest, enjoy the breeze. We need to have exercise, I guess. So yeah, that's the Malta Lake, basically. So long. The scooter. Okay. Hodge, kochanie, hodge.
You wanna jump?
No. You go. Currently. Damian currently, I don't know what's the guy saying. Damian currently wants to enjoy his life after working, because I know that you know, he just like wake up in the morning at 6 and then get ready 7 and then start working. So I always told him you need to work life balance, so 1 hour after work you have to exercise, go out, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the wind, enjoy the nature, because we are so grateful we live here. We have a good food, affordable, and stay active outside. And you see, he's just like a small kid. That's my husband.
Wait. Ah, we are driving together now. Focus filming, huh? Focus driving, huh? Nice hotel. Okay, at the front of the hotel.
Kahanye! How was it?
Nice.
You see, like this girl.
This one fancy actually. The big, mine was just rental.
Huh?
But nice. Last time I drive the green scooters, maybe you remember in summer, then I had a little accident in Bali. But here is nice. Actually, great memories. And we had to spin together, huh? So cool, huh? How you feel?
So you feel like relaxed after work?
Oh, sometimes you have
See?
to do something like that to release everything.
You didn't need to go to the beach. Enjoy the bintang to be relaxed, right?
Those passes, these electric scooters, you can have a per minute or you can have a pass. 10 zloty for 30 minutes or 20 zloty for 1 hour. I was thinking to rent one each and drive around Malta like perhaps one day or something. It would be cool, huh? Especially as you have a dedicated bicycle lines for that. So it's not like mixing between bikes and cars and cats and doggos on the middle of the street, you know what I mean? And the potholes and the people going wrong way, you know, just the gross stuff, I'm just saying. So you can do it here. Maybe we can do it one day, yeah?
I think that's all our video today, guys. And now it's time for Damian to drive the Uber.
Yeah, I have to now drive a little bit. But it's actually, you know, for me, it's also like, I like it. It's also like, first I make some coin, that's cool, but at the same time it's just like it, you know, just treat this as the, you know, I could play PlayStation and I treat this driving Uber as the game somehow.
Damian really
I
like
just
driving.
like driving, you know.
You know, like if you ask him to drive from Poland across a few countries around Europe, he will do it. He will do it. He loves driving. That's the most important thing for him.
Yeah, last time we go to München, I like this one accidentally actually, but so cool.
I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
bye. So I'm in the car and then I'm curious how is Damian works as Uber. So he got customer actually, and then I will stop in the Poznań to the shopping mall, and after that he will pick up the gas. So Damian got that order.
I got the order, you can see on the screen actually.
Uh-huh.
In my car is nice because Uber app is compatible with the Toyota.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty far to pick up somebody, as you can see actually, but the value was actually pretty nice, so that's why I decided to take it. Sometimes have it better to having a longer trip rather than few short. Depends of luck, of course, but this one is cool. So that's how does it look like actually.
Okay, so Damian will drop me to the Poznań mall, exactly this, or and then because I also need to go shopping, I shop a lot, and Damian need to work hard. I also work hard to make a video for you guys, so that's the thing. Okay, so yeah, he will drop me somewhere.